I would invite Arun sir to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Students, we were continuing with problems. So what we'll do now is we'll cut the problem which we left at the end. All right. And let us see solution for that problem. And the problem was, and for the ones who have joined today for the first time, do not worry, you will have backlog classes wherein you will be taught all the topics which you have missed. All right. So do not worry, you'll have backlog classes. Right. Vignesh, I see many new names today. Vignesh, Amani, and there is Munna Bhai here. Change your name, Munna Bhai. And there is Firdaus, Kirti. All right. So there are many new names. So do not worry. You will have backlog classes where you will be taught all that you have missed. So we are into kinematics of one dimension. Basic math, vectors, and kinematics. Basic math and vectors is over. Kinematics is 1 week left. We are doing relative velocity and variable acceleration is left. All right. But before that, students, all right, we have got students who were there yesterday. So Ashika, Bhavna, and who else is here? Shravani is here. Yeah, Shravani is here. Omkar is here. Good, good, good. So, students, the question which I was dealing with today morning, was this question. I have three particles. One is going up with velocity v naught. The other is going down with the acceleration a naught. I have to find out the velocity and acceleration of particle p such that they will always lie on the same line.
Yes, sir.
Right? You remember, right? So this was the question we were dealing with. So let this be x naught. Distance between two particles A and B, and B and C be x naught. And let this be delta x. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you've done today, I said, because this will go for a time, after a time of delta t, very small delta t, this will be ahead of this one. And what I will say is, it is A, B, C, D, E, F.
Yes.
Yes. Seven concept like 10 minutes. Understand. Students, I would like to just tell you this question, and then I would like to just give the scenario, and I want you to try. Have you tried this? Bhavna, Shravani, Ashita, have you tried this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you get the answer? Delta x did you get? And x did you get? We are trying to find out x as a function of time. Where x is this.
Half 80 squared.
Sorry? Yeah, all right. You try this question. And students, let me just know one thing. There are two ways of doing it. See, either I can give you some good questions in the class, or I can go into the topic. What is that you want me to do next class? Next class is going to be relative velocity, which is very important concept. I will start from scratch. All right. Those who have missed today also can catch up with me on Monday or whenever the next class is. We'll start with relative velocity. But my question is, shall we do good problems in class or should I give it to you as DPP? Because people are not finding time to attend DPP and we're in class. Which is better? Which you think is better, students? ఏది బెటర్ మంచి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నువ్వు క్లాస్ లో చేపిస్తేనే బెటరా లేకపోతే డిబిపి ఇస్తే బెటరా డిబిపి ఇస్తే మీరు చేస్తే లేదు Okay, Omkar has an opinion. All right. How about others? All right, think about it. Let me know in the next class. Now, right now, we've got math class. Sorry to interrupt. All right. Thank you all. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Kevin, sir, you can continue the session, sir. Yes, sir. Kevin, sir.
Good evening, one and all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Just a minute, I will share the screen. Okay, dear students, today we will be solving the problems on the locus. So, the first question is, just a minute, listen carefully. The first question is, the locus of the point, it satisfies root of x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus root of x plus 3 whole square plus y square is dash. The question is the locus of the point which satisfies the equation x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus root of x plus 3 whole square plus y square is dash. We have to find this one. For to find this one, first of all, we should see the equation is of which type. What does the equation is showing to us?
PA plus PB square.
No, a plus b whole square formula we don't get root. See, listen carefully. There is a square for the x coordinate and y coordinate, and there is a root. What thing comes to your mind suddenly?
Distance.
Very good. So
Distance.
distance formula. What is my distance formula? My distance formula is root over x minus is x2 minus x1 whole square
plus
minus y1 whole square. So that will be the distance formula. I'm equating with this one now. Let me take my x2 as px comma y, the locus. My x2 as px comma y. When I equate with that one, so this becomes x. This becomes 3 whole square plus this becomes y2. See, this is my x2, this is my y2. So my x2 is x, my y2 is y. Therefore, my y, since there is no nothing with here, so I will put as 0 square. So what is my point here? My point A became how much? 3 comma 0. Yes or no? Now like
Yes,
that, tell me the point B now.
minus 3 comma 0.
Very good. Now I'm getting the point A 3 comma 0, point B as minus 3 comma 0. Huh? So what they're telling?
Can you say how?
Pardon? Hello.
B point house 3 comma 0.
Same thing. Equate the same equation like this. I equate with x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Will be x of minus 3. I'm equating this
sir.
equation. I'm equating this equation with my general equation. You
Okay, sir, I
understand?
understood.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So once that is equated, then my y value, point b becomes minus 3 comma 0. So listen carefully. The given equation is let us say now it is a distance formula between p and a and p and b. The given equation is a form of pa plus pb is equal to some
Let's
constant. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Distance of 2 points with one fixed point, or else a locus of a point with 2 fixed point is constant. What will come to your mind?
1. A.
We discussed a lot of conic section figures and so on. Now A and B are my 2 fixed points. P is my locus. The locus of points or set of points whose distance of the sum is a constant. Hello?
Ellipse, sir.
Ellipse. Okay, we know by definition we came to know it is ellipse. But we have to prove it mathematically. How to prove it mathematically? We have to bring it the equation to the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
for that one to become a simple thing, now we'll be having a small what is called as a concept over here. This is an extra information we'll be using to solve the MCQs very easily. That is the concept of if my coordinates are, let us say, if my coordinates are A, if my coordinates are A comma B, and B minus A comma B, and P is my some let us say P is my some locus x comma y, PA plus PB, PA plus PB is equal to some constant, or modulus of PA minus PB is equal to some constant. Then to find that equation, whether it is an ellipse or anything, to find that equation, we have a simple equation, that is 4x square by k square plus 4y minus b square by this a minus b whole square by k square minus 4a. This is equal to 1. So this is, we use this formula when my k is not equal to 2a. First I have to find the k value. If my k is not equal to 2a, then we use this equation. If k is equal to 2a, we use this equation, y is equal to b. So now using this equation, now we'll find the equation of the previous question. So what is my point? My point P is equal to how much? X comma y. My A is equal to 3 comma 0 and B is equal to
Minus
Minus
3.
comma
0.
0. Now tell me the distance between AB. Distance between points AB. First, tell me the distance between point AB.
3 plus 3 whole square.
No, tell me the distance between point AB.
9, sir.
9. How come 9?
Root
3
9.
3.
Only
No,
9.
no. Distance between AB is different. Distance between AB is different.
6. 6.
Sir.
Distance between AB is 6. So is my AB is what is called as is my AB is greater than K or so less than K? See, look at the question. I have given what is the question? Root of x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus root of x plus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 7. Is my AB is greater than K or less than K? 6 is less than K, sorry, 6 is less than 7 or greater than 7?
Less than
Less than 7.
Yes, sir.
6 is less than 7. That is, look at the drawing here. That is my constant. That is, if I take this 2 point, this is distance between two is less than this one, means ellipse. For hyperbola, what is happening? Look at carefully here. For hyperbola, my foci is here. See the distance of foci, is it smaller or bigger? Distance between A and B.
Bigger, sir.
Bigger. So if distance is greater, then the given equation will be an hyperbola. Since distance is smaller, the given equation will be an ellipse. So what is the locus of this one? The locus of this equation is ellipse. Did you understand how to do it?
Yes, sir.
So now will you try out one problem?
Yes,
So now still it is not yet over. You have to find the equation also. So now we understood the given what is called the given locus is of a ellipse. Now we have to find the equation of that ellipse. So what is the formula I told you? See, I told you one formula here. So you should know what is A and what is B value. So what I told, A comma B, coordinates of B is A comma minus B. That means I got now A as 3 comma 0 and B as minus 3 comma 0. Therefore my A value is equal to 3 and my B value is equal to 0. Yes or no?
0. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now put all these values here. Now you have got K value is 7. Put all these values in this equation and tell me the equation of the ellipse. First tell me the equation of the ellipse. No need of going for any difficult thing. I have given a simple formula to find ellipse, equation of ellipse.
Yes, sir. Any issue, sir?
No, I have asked them to do the equation, ma'am.
Okay, okay, sir. So x and y value will remain same. X and y value will become nothing. It will change. Only A and B value have to change. A value is 3, B value is 0, and K value is 7. How much time you require to solve this one? Do you get the equation, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Y
What is the
square
equation?
minus
Plus 4y square minus 1814 is equal to 0, sir.
No, wrong. I don't know which equation you are doing.
This equation, sir,
You have to bring it to the equation of Phillips. What is the equation of Phillips?
uh, x square by
You have to bring it that form. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1.
yes, sir.
y square minus 12x.
Okay, if you are finding difficult, I will do it for this question. Next question you will be you'll be doing
Sir,
difference.
is equal to 9.
Don't worry. Now thing is, I got my a value, b value, and k value is 7. So therefore, we have to find the value of this one. Equation is 4x square by 49 plus 4y minus b square by
49 minus 49 minus
square 4a square is equal to 1. So it will be 4x square by 49 plus 4y square by 49 minus 36 is equal to 1. This will be is equal to 4x square by 49 plus 4y square by 13 is equal to 1. If you want to simplify much further, you can simplify into x square by 49 by 4 plus y square by 13 by 4 is equal to 1. See, we got the equation of ellipse. Therefore, the given locus x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus root of x plus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 7 is the equation of an ellipse. And whose ellipse equation is x square by 49 by 4 plus y square by 13 by 4 is equal to 1. Did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
How you get 13, sir?
49 minus 36. How much 49 minus 36?
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you say how it came 7? K is equals to 7.
Pardon?
K is equals to 7.
That is the question.
Okay,
The
sir.
locus of the point which satisfies the equation x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus root of x plus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 7. That is the question.
Sir, can you explain once again?
Yes. So, can you go to the next question? Hello.
Sir, explain some the distance formula.
Hello. Somebody told something?
Can you explain once again this?
Okay. Listen carefully. Now they are told that x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus x plus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 7. This is some equation of the locus. And our they are asking is this is the equation of which locus? So if you look carefully, this is like the distance formula. X square and y square separately they are giving addition, doing sum and root. So by comparing to my distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus root of x2 minus x1 whole square
plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 7. Now I am going to bring down my entire equation to this form. So I am going to bring it down my entire equation to this form. Look carefully. So I'll take x p. Let us take it as take my p x comma y as x2 y2. P x comma y as my x2 y2. Therefore, what happens here? X minus 3 whole square plus x2 is y. I want y1, so minus 0 whole square plus this will become again x2 is my x yes, since plus is there, I want to get minus in the formula, so minus of minus 3 whole square plus y is there, y minus 0 whole square is equal to 7. If you compare carefully, my point x1 comma y1 in the first one and my point x1 let's say some x3 comma y3 in second one. Let us say what happens here. In the x1 plus I got minus 3, therefore a value becomes minus 3. In y1 plus I am getting 0 0. So here b, in the place of my x3 I am getting minus 3. Sorry, this is plus 3, no, plus 3 minus 3. This is 0. So now I got my a and b. Find the value of ab. Distance ab is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square
Answer will be 6.
minus 3 minus of minus 3 whole square plus 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0 whole square. That will be equal to minus 6 whole square. That is root of 36. That is equal to root 6. So my AB is equal to 6. See, the given equation is in the form of PA plus PB. That means distance. What I am doing now, I am getting point A, B, and P x comma y. So from PA, if I find the distance between PA and A, I am getting this value. And if I find the value distance between P and B, I am getting this value. So for the given equation, the first equation, the question is in the form of PA plus PB is equal to 7. So let us say 7 is some constant K. So since my AB, the distance between the fixed point is equal to 6, which is less than 7, therefore, by this itself, I conclude that the equation of my locus is an ellipse. The equation of my locus is an ellipse. And I have to find the equation of that ellipse. What is the equation of ellipse? For that, only I gave that formula. The formula is 4x square by 4x square by k square plus 4 into y minus b whole square by k square minus 4a is equal to 1. So for this one, I told if my a what is the theory I told for you just now? I explained the theory. If a comma b and b a comma minus b are two coordinates, two fixed points, and a locus p x comma y, which satisfies the condition either pa plus pb is equal to some constant, or else modulus of pa minus pb is equal to some constant, then the equation of those thing will be of either this one. The equation will be of this one when my k is not equal to 2a. Why I'm saying k is not equal to 2a means if it is equal to 2a, see, look at carefully here. This will become 4a square. This becomes denominator will become 0. Therefore, this entire entity will become this entire entity will become an infinity. So only I'm telling when k is not equal to 2a only, I will be using this equation to find the equation of the ellipse or hyperbola, whichever this one, when that locus is given. Now they are given the equation of locus, and we came to know the equation of the locus is of an ellipse, and now we have to find out the value equation of that ellipse. So use this formula. So Now my A value is how much? 3 comma 0. My B value is minus 3 comma 0. And my value of K is 7. Now compared to the equation A comma B, B minus A comma B. Therefore A is equal to 3, B is equal to 0. So therefore the entire equation will become, that is, the entire equation will become 4x square by 49. And substituting the value and simplifying it, plus 4 into y minus 0 whole square by 49 minus 36 is equal to 1. So if I simplify this one, it will be 4x square by 49 plus 4y square by 13 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse of which locus is root of x square, x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus root of x plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 7. If you want to more further, I need to bring it to standard equation, then x square by 49 by 4 plus y square by 13 by 4 is equal to 1. Or else if you want to simplify much more, you can simplify into x square by 7 by 2 whole square plus y square by root 13 by 2 whole square is equal to 1. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Dear students, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now try to solve this one. The locus of the point which satisfies the equation root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus root of x plus 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 8 is dash. I want what is the type of which is the type of this one, that is, and I want the equation of that curve, whatever curve it will be. So first find the points A and B, then find the distance of AB, then see whether the distance of AB is equal to K or greater than K or less than K.
A 4 comma 0.
No, I want directly the direct last answer. Please solve everything. My question is simple. The locus of point P is satisfying this equation is of what? Is it a circle, or is it a ellipse, or is it a hyperbola, is it a parabola, or is it a straight line, or is it a parallel lines, or is it intersecting lines? Huh? Or is it an imaginary circle? So I want that answer. Once you give that answer, then I'll ask other things. So first I'm telling, first find out A, then find out B, then find out AB, then see whether the what condition is satisfying. If the
Sir,
condition is satisfying only, then you come to know. Yes.
x square by
Yes.
16 plus 4y square by 0 equal to 1.
Pardon?
Sir,
Hello. No, my question is what kind of curve it is? We go for equation at last. I want what kind of curve it is.
AB is 8, sir.
AB is 8, correct answer, but I want what kind of curve it is.
Sir, AB is 2 root 2, sir.
No, wrong. AB has to be 8
AB is 8.
because points are how much? 4, 0 minus 4, 0. Yes or no points, sir? A
Yes,
will be
sir.
4, 0, B will be minus 4, 0. I have not
Sir?
solved it. Hello?
So is this hyperbola?
No, wrong. It's not hyperbola. I told just now I controlled one condition. If AB is less than K, if AB is greater than
Alex,
K, what is my K value here?
8, sir.
Oh,
Sir.
what happening? My AB is equal to K.
Yes, sir.
So what happens?
Circles.
Circle, no. K
Sir,
is
is
the
it
point,
straight
no?
line? Straight line?
Very good.
straight line.
Correct, no? The point will come to a point will coincide. So the point will come to a straight line. I think some class. Just a minute. So AB is equal to K. So just a minute. Hmm. So AB is equal to K. That means what happens? These are to my A and B. So my point is also coming there. Means what happens? It is forming a collinear. When we say collinear, they are becoming line. Yes or no? Hello, students. So
Yes, sir.
the straight line. Now find the equation of the straight line. I want the equation. Okay, the answer is correct. If the straight line is answer is correct. Now I want the equation of the straight line. See, listen carefully. The equation of straight line is very simple. I gave two conditions. Correct? No? Students, are you in the meet? What I told, 4x square by k square plus 4 into y minus b whole square by k square
Sir,
minus 4s
sir,
square
equation could be 8y equal
is
to
equal
0.
to 1. Pardon?
8y equal to 0.
8y is equal to 0. Simplify much more further. We can't use this formula. Y means, see here, k is equal to 8. 4, what is this called as? K is equal to 8. Correct, no? Yes or no? What I have told, K should not be equal to 2A. That means what is the value of 2A? K is equal to 2 into 4. K is equal to 8. Therefore, what happens? I can't use this equation because K is equal to 2A. So K is equal to 2A means K is equal to 8. K is equal to 8, it is happening. So I can't use this formula because this down property will become infinity. Means this property will become 0. This becomes infinity. Therefore, I gave second condition. When my K is
Sir,
equal to 2A, when my K is equal to 2A, my
sir,
equation is equal to Y is equal to B. Then what happens? Y is equal to, what is the B value? 0. Therefore, equation of this line is Y is equal to 0. You
sir,
understand? Hello?
sir,
Yes?
x minus 4
Now, equation is y is equal to 0. Just now I told. Why we are getting y is equal to 0? Because we can't use the equation, what is this called as, just now we told the equation, no? We can't use this equation because my k is equal to 2a. When k is equal to 2a, we can't use the equation because the second quantity or the second entity is becoming infinity. So once something is infinity, we can't use that one. So therefore, I can't use the equation 4x square by k square plus 4 of y minus b whole square by k square minus 4a square is equal to 1 because the entity is becoming 0 for infinity. Therefore, what I'll be doing is I'll be using the second equation. When k is equal to 2a, I told when k is equal to 2a, the equation of that, whatever curve it is equal to y is equal to b. This will happen only in straight lines. K is equal to, sorry, what is called the same value that will happen only, most of the times it happens in straight lines. That is y is equal to b. The equation of this one is y is equal to b. That is our b value is 0. Therefore, the equation of a straight line is y is equal to 0. Did you understand, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Now, shall we go for next question?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question. AE comma 0 and sorry, I have given the points little. A 0 comma AE and B 0 comma minus AE are 2 points. A 0 comma A 0 comma AE and B 0 comma minus AE are 2 points. The equation of the locus P, the equation of locus point P is satisfying one condition. What is the condition? Is PA plus PB is equal to 2A. PA plus PB is equal to 2A. Therefore, what is the equation of the locus? We have to find the equation of the locus. So, what they're telling is they're telling already PA plus PB is equal to 2A. So, what we have to do is we have to find the equation of the locus. That is, just now I told you just now we solved this property using this one. If A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to A comma minus B. If A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to A comma minus B, then before that we discussed of one property. What is the property that we discussed? If A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to minus A comma B. For that the equation, if that this one, if it has got a point x comma y.
To A.
No, just a minute. I shall explain. They will be using different concepts. See, here my coordinates are different. I can't use that formula. That formula is also used only when the coordinates are A comma B and minus A comma B. Yes, see, look at the question. My question is A comma B, A comma minus B is there, not minus A comma B is there. So I can't use what a formula I thought. It's only I'm teaching you a new equation now. So A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to minus A comma B and point x comma y is there. Then when PA, the distance between a point and my A and B is equal to some constant, or PA minus PB is equal to some constant, then the formula that I'll be using is 4x square plus k square plus 4 into y minus b whole square by k square minus 4a square is equal to 1. This is when k is not equal to 2a. When k is not equal to 2a. And the same equation will become y is equal to b when k is equal to 2a. That is, listen carefully, all these conditions should be satisfied. The point has to be a comma b and minus a comma b, and this either this condition has to satisfy or this condition has to satisfy.
And for when k is not equal to 2a, we use this formula. When k is equal to 2a, we use this formula. Now, if you look carefully, the given question is not like that tough. Given question is like this: a comma b and b, a comma minus b, and point px comma y is satisfying a condition either p a plus pb is equal to some constant k, or pa minus pb, modulus of pa minus pb is equal to some constant k. Then what happens? Then the thing is, we the equation will be of like this: 4 of x minus a whole square by k minus 4b square, sorry, k square minus 4b square plus 4y square by k square is equal to 1. Here k should not be equal to 2b. If k is equal to 2b means x is equal to a. If k is equal to 2b. So these are the some extra equations or some extra hints that we learn easy to solve the MCQs. Now look at our question carefully. My question is a 0 comma ae and b 0 comma minus n means my coordinates are in the form of a comma b and b a comma minus b, and satisfying one condition: pa plus pb is equal to 2a. See, that means my question is satisfying this condition. K is equal to 2a. See here, we should not, no worry, because we should not be equal only to 2b. So I can use the first equation. So using the first equation, I'll find the equation of this locus. So what happens? Just a minute. So what happens? The equation was that is 4 of x minus a whole square by k square minus 4b square plus 4y square by k square is equal to 1. So my a value is equal to 0, my b value is equal to ae, and my k value is equal to 2a. So substitute everything in the equation now. So 4 into x minus 0 whole square by k square will be 2a square minus 4a square minus 4b square plus 4y square will be this one. Y value is how much? A square e square by k square will be 4a square. So 4 is there, 4 we have tried. So 4 get cancels, a square get cancels. So here also 4 is there. I'll take the 4 common. So 4 get cancels. The left out, what is the left out is x square by sorry, b value is what is the a square? No, correct. A square e square. So that will be x square by a square into 1 minus e square plus e square by e square is equal to 1. Do you understand? The equation of my this one. Students, do you understand? Students, did you understand? Hello. If yes, can you tell me?
Can you please explain again?
From where?
Substitution.
Substitution. So that is, now I know the value. My value is a is equal to 0, b is equal to ae, and k is equal to 2a. Therefore, the equation will become 4 of x minus a. My x value is x minus a whole square by k square minus 4b square plus 4y square by k square is equal to 1. So substitute the values now. So I am for is 4x square, a will be x minus 0 whole square means x square by k square is 2a square. That is 4a square minus 4b square plus y square is equal to 4a square e square by k square is equal to 4a square is equal to 1. A square 4 get cancels, a square get cancels. If I take common here, it will become 4 will come out. Yeah, b square is equal to sorry. This will become sorry a square e square. So that will be is equal to x square by a square is there. 4 I have taken already common and I have to cancel it already. So it will be a square minus a square. This what is left out will be a square minus a square e square. I'll take a square common. So a square common means 1 minus e square plus e square is equal to 1. So this will be my equation of the locus. Do you understand, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll solve next problem. Now you solve this problem and tell me if point AE comma 0 and B minus AE comma 0 are 2 points. The equation of the locus P is satisfying a condition PA minus PB is equal to 2A. Then the equation is, what is the equation of the locus?
Straight line.
No, I want the equation of the locus. I'm not asking what the curve.
Y is equals to AE.
No, wrong. Answer is wrong. Simplify.
Y is equals to 0.
No.
The
Answer is wrong.
x square by a square into 1 minus e square plus e equal to 1.
What is the answer? Tell me. X square by
A square 1 plus e square plus e equal to 1.
I am not getting what you are telling exactly.
X
X
square
by
by
uh,
a square into
into
1 plus e square.
1 plus e square. No, wrong.
No. 1 minus e square.
You have taken the formula wrong. Look at the coordinates.
Okay, sir.
Look at the coordinates. No, what you have done is correct. Everything is correct, but you have taken the formula wrong.
Okay, sir.
Very good attempt, but you have taken the formula wrong. Look at the coordinates. First thing is look at the coordinates. Your method of doing is correct, but the formula is wrong. Others, you are going for shortcut and you are losing mark. Most of you told y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, wrong. 2a, substitute the value of 2a. 2a means 2ae. When you substitute denominator, is it becoming 0? No. Yeah, nobody is going for that work. Everybody is going for shortcut. Purposefully, I give this question.
Sir,
Yes.
x square by a square
X square by a square
plus
plus
y square by a square
y square by a square
into
into
1 minus e square.
excellent is equal to
1.
very good. Who is this?
Vignesh, sir.
Vignesh. Very good, Vignesh. Your answer is correct.
Thank you.
Perfectly correct.
Thank you, sir.
See, nothing. You have to put A is equal to AE. Nothing big here. Nothing you should do big here. You have to put A is equal to AE. B is equal to 0. And K is equal to 2A. When you substitute, if your denominator is getting 0, means only you have to go for y is equal to 0. Your denominator is not getting a 0 there. Yes. Please take this question as an homework. Point A, C comma 0 and point B minus C comma 0 are 2 points. A, C comma 0 and B minus C comma 0 are 2 points. If P is a point, such that PA plus PB is equal to 2A. PA plus PB is equal to 2A. And C is greater than 0 and less than A. See, I'm giving one condition. C is greater than 0 and less than A. Now itself you'll understand which equation to use. Find the locus of P. Miss, you have to find the equation of P. Find the locus of P. Take this question as an homework. Okay, now next question is like just a concept-based question. You just if you can spend only not even 30 seconds for thinking. Can just do it easily. A and B are two fixed points.
Sir,
A and B are yes.
for the homework question, I think answer will be x square by a square plus y square by a square minus c square equal to 1.
Yes, correct. X square by A square plus Y square by A
Y,
square. Is it the same, Vignesh?
sir?
Is it Vignesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vignesh, you are correct.
Okay, sir.
So A and B are two fixed points. A and B are two fixed points such that PA plus PB is equal to K and then K. Then P is a locus of dash. P is locus of which one? A and B are two fixed points. PA plus PB means the distance between those two fixed points with a point is a constant, and that constant is greater than the distance between the fixed point. Then the locus is of which curve?
Ellipse, sir.
Ellipse. Why? I want a reason. Answer is correct, but I want a reason. What is the reason?
Because the graph is hyperbola.
No. Hyperbola cannot be.
Sir, AB
The
is
difference is constant.
AB is more than K, sir.
Huh? AB is
Less than K.
K,
less
sir.
than K. Okay. First of all, see, sum of two distances constant only comes in ellipse.
Yes, sir.
But there is also one problem.
Hyperbola will also have the same, sir.
No, hyperbola is a difference of
Equal to K, sir, but AB is not
Hyperbola, we can't have a sum of the distance with a fixed point is same. No, that will never happen. Hyperbola. For hyperbola for us to have an hyperbola, we should have difference of the distance of points to the fixed points. Only then I guess. So for hyperbola, this condition has to come. This will become ellipse, but we can't conclude this is ellipse here because sometimes it can be a straight line also, it can be a parallel line also. So what I should do, I should cross refer with this concept.
Yes,
If my
sir.
AB is less than K, it is ellipse. If my AB is greater than K, it is my hyperbola. If AB is equal to K, it will be a
Straight.
straight line. I have told you this concept from 2 days. Even then you are wondering, I don't know what test you are going to write tomorrow. Huh? Almost some 5 or 6 questions is from conceptual things only. Based on concepts only I have asked the questions. Because we couldn't solve a lot of problems on this one, locus. Of course, some problems are on practical problems are also there in the locus. Don't think only concepts are there. Work on all those things. Okay, next question. We'll go to the next question. The locus of a point, which is at a distance of 5 units from x-axis. The locus of a point P, which is at a distance of 5 units from x-axis. So we have to find the equation which is having a distance of 5 from x-axis. What will be the equation?
Modulus PA minus PB is equals to
Why
K.
you want 2 points here? One single point, and there is another point. That's all. Why you want PA, PB, and so on? Understand the question? No. The locus of point P from a point whose distance is 5 units from x-axis. Only 2 points are there. Why you want to have another point B? 3 points. Draw a
PA.
small graph.
Sir,
Draw a
it
small
is,
graph.
sir, it is
There is
straight,
one point.
which
Please
is
listen carefully.
parallel to x-axis, sir.
Listen carefully. So there is a point here. Point P is somewhere distance from x-axis. The distance is 5. This is my point P from x-axis. The distance is 5. So if I want to write this one, will be 5 comma something. I can write yes or no. Means this is the distance along y-axis. This will be
Yes, sir.
so y distance will be how much? 5. So y is equal to 5. I don't know whether it is upward 5 or downward 5. So I y is equal to mod of 5.
Sir, I think x equal to 5.
Not x equal to 5. This distance will
Yes,
be how much?
sir.
This distance I'm asking. This distance is 5. So this is of which one? Which axis? This distance is gives my a point is 5 axis. So distance of y of is 5. So y is moving either plus 4 or minus 5.
Modulus 5.
Yes.
The equation will be y is equal to mod 5 or else y is equal to y square is equal to 25 or else y square minus 25 is equal to 0. So your equation can be any of these 3 equations. So basing on the options they are given, you have to do it.
Hey, Kira. Oh, pasa mo.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us see. This is very easiest question. Let us see. If let us say if a is equal to minus 2 comma 3 and b is equal to 6 comma minus 5. Now we have to find the equation of the point which is equidistant from these 2 points. Equation of point which is equidistant from these 2 points. Take a common point x comma y. I have told a criteria. Criteria is that it should be a equidistance from these 2 points. That is PA should be equal to PB. I myself am giving more clues. Now tell me the equation. What will the equation will coming? You have to simplify the equation and you have to tell me what equation will be getting. Students, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
You have to use distance formula. You have to square on both the sides. You have to simplify and you have to bring it to some equation. Oh, yes,
Sir? Sir? X minus y minus
Yes,
p equal to 0.
just a minute. Where is the question? What is the thing you told?
X minus y minus 3 equal to 0.
X minus y minus 3 equal to 0. X. Just to simplify much more further. Okay, correct answer. You can simplify much more further. Try to get a different versions of this one. That is x minus y is equal to 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did all get this answer? X minus y is equal to 3.
Yes.
So use a distance formula. PA is equal to PB. Square on both the side. Simplify. Okay. Next question. Little, little common sense and little max knowledge. The ends of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. The ends of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle are a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. Find the equation of the third vertex. Find the equation of the third vertex. Third vertex equation you have to find it out. Find out the locus of the third vertex. Equation also same, locus also same. So they given. I'll draw a rough figure. At least you will understand something from that figure. All these things should be done by you. I told whenever it comes to locus, the first thing that you should do is you have to sketch a rough figure. So what they told is if A, B, and C is my coordinates of this or vertices of my triangle means they are given the endpoints of hypotenuse. This is my hypotenuse. The endpoints are A comma 0 and minus A comma 0. And they're asking me to find the point b x comma y and the equation of this point b x comma y. So you have to derive the first. You have to first find out what is the criteria it is going to satisfy. Using that criteria, you have to find out the equation.
Pythagoras.
Very good, Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
So use that criteria of Pythagoras theorem. Take b as x comma y and find the equation. Simplify it and tell me the equation. This is how you'll be getting questions on locus. This is just a trailer only. We are not going to the main picture. Now, this is just easy questions. Don't expect in the mains exam you'll get questions like this. This is just introducing you to the locus only. The main picture is yet to come.
Sir,
Yes.
x square plus y square plus a square equal to 2a square.
No, somewhere you're gone wrong. Just check it out.
Sir, can I say once again?
I understood x square plus y square plus 2a square is that's what you told, no?
A square.
Somewhere something has gone wrong. X square plus y square is correct. You won't get 2a square. Something else you have to get. See, somewhere you've gone wrong. Go slow, no hurry.
So
Go slow. Yes, what is the equation?
x square plus y square is equal to a
Y square
into
is equal to
a into
wrong.
1 minus c, sir. A into 1
Wrong,
minus.
wrong, wrong. You
Sir,
can't
x
get
square plus y
compound
square
value
equal
here.
to
X square
sir,
plus y square is equal to
a square.
a square. That's correct. X square plus y square is equal to a square. Simplify. Simplification is very important. You have to take this, what is called, you have to take the criteria. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes. Use this criteria. Here you will get a single digit value. Here you will get values in X and Y. Send some one of these digits this side. Simplify, you will get it. Before that, who gave the answer? Is it Bhavan or Gayatri? X square plus y square is equal to a into 1 minus something you told. Who was it?
Bhavana, sir.
Bhavana, go to your answer. Somewhere simplification you have gone wrong. Plus sign, minus sign. Rest all is correct. Only plus or minus sign. Somewhere you have gone wrong. Just check it. First, we have to solve some more problems. Just we are solving only one. Per day, some 5 or 6 problems only. Last time only we solved some good number of problems. After that, we never solved. Trigonometry and so on, we used to solve a lot of problems. I don't know why when it comes to geometry, you're not solving fast. We are going very slow in geometry. Trigonometry, you are very fast, correct? You are doing the problems very fast and you are telling me the answer. In geometry, why are you going very slow? Today only we solved how many problems today we solved? Today, that is how many problems we solved? 1, 2, 3,
Sir, x square y square is equal to a square, sir.
Correct. What about others? Only two only answered. What about others? Are you doing it? Or just simply watching, let others say the answer? I'll just sit quietly. Did you all get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Now we go to the next question. We go to the next question. A comma 0, B minus A comma 0 are the locus of point P, or locus of point P, which is satisfying a condition PA square plus PB square is equal to some 2C square.
AB.
Some 2C square. No, it's not a Pythagoras theorem. Listen carefully. Point A and point B are like this, A comma 0 and minus A comma 0 are the locus of a point. Means A and B are like this. A and B are A comma 0 and B comma B of B is equal to minus A comma 0 are 2 points. These points are satisfying a condition. What is the condition they are satisfying is P of A square plus P of B square is equal to 2C square. And you have to find the locus of this equation. So first what you should do is P x comma y you have to take. So first you have to find PA square. And you have, what is the PA square? PA square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Yes or no? So this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. That will be x minus,
Sir,
yes,
x square plus y square plus a square equal to c square.
x square plus a square, so
Y
x square
square.
plus c square, x square plus y square plus a square is equal to c square. Correct answer.
Okay.
So here x, x2 is equal to this one. This is my x2, y2. This is my x1, y1. Therefore, what happens? X minus a whole square plus here it becomes y square because 0 is there, y square. So this is my PA square. So PB square, what happens? Similarly, PB square, my PB square is what happens? PB square will be PB square is equal to, if I take this, it will be
X square plus
x
y.
plus a whole square plus y square. Correct now? So given condition is what? Given condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square. That will be x minus a whole square plus a y square plus x plus a whole square plus y square is equal to 2C square. So simplify this one. X square plus a square plus 2ax plus y
Minus
square.
Sir, minus 2ax.
Okay.
minus
So minus
2x
2ax plus y square plus x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square is equal to 2c square. That will be
2x square plus
2x
2y
square
square
plus 2a square plus
plus
2y
2y square
square.
is equals to
This one get cancels is equal to
equals
2c square. So if I take everything common, x square plus a square, y square plus a square
plus y
is
square
equal to c square.
is equals to c square.
You understand?
Sir, can you repeat one
Yes, sir.
again?
From where you are not understanding?
Sir, from above, sir, that. Sir, from above.
From above. This is a question.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat?
Every time this is the thing. Okay. So whenever you have got that time, please ask on the spot. Explain the entire problem. Sometimes it takes double the time. So if you're having some doubt, okay, sir, I have got some doubt. Please stop, sir. I will stop and I explain on the spot. Very good. Okay, no problem. So now A and B are given. So they are given the condition that PA square plus PB square is so point X comma Y as my locus of point. So we have to find using this given criteria the equation for P, the point X comma Y. So what happens is I am taking a point what is called as A comma 0 and B is equal to minus A comma 0. Therefore, with distance formula we know PEA is equal to root of A square x2 minus x1 whole square. Since square is there, no root is there.
Yes, sir.
By distance formula, I am getting these two equation. The two equation I am what is called as expanding it, simplifying it. I am getting this equation.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Yes.
understood, sir.
Yes. Okay. I think we'll stop it here. I think we have taken more than 1 hour class. Huh? So we'll all the best for tomorrow's class.
Sir?
Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, dear students, all the best for tomorrow's your weekend test. Kindly do well. And one kind request from everybody: if you have got doubt, kindly stop on the moment and ask the doubt. Huh? Often waiting for the problem to solve and asking a doubt at the end is taking more time. Today, for 2 problems, it happened like that. 3 problems. Means we are spending double the time for repeating from the beginning. So if you have got some doubt, kindly stop me in the between. No problem. Nothing issue. Kindly stop in between. Okay, sir, I have got this doubt in this step. Please clarify, sir. We'll do it. So waiting at the end will take more time. This is what I want to say. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, students. Thank you, students. Again, we will meet on Monday morning, 5 to 7. Okay, and tomorrow you have a weekend test. So don't forget to write the exam.
Ma'am,
Bye,
time.
everyone. Time we will share in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. Thank you.